Holidays are always a busy time for law enforcement agencies, but they could also cause an increase in work for district attorneys' offices. News 9's Angelicia Bruton explains why it might be months before a suspected DUI driver is charged.
During the holidays, law enforcement agencies prepare to make multiple suspected DUI arrests, but they say it's not up to them on whether the person is convicted or not. While thousands of Oklahomans were enjoying the holiday weekend, it's all hands on deck for first responders.
Oklahoma Highway Patrol has increased patrols to keep drivers safe out there on the road and make sure that everyone gets home safely.
One thing they usually come across are suspected intoxicated drivers.
Driving too fast, driving too slow, unable to maintain their lanes.
More than 30 people were taken to the Oklahoma County Detention Center from July 1st through the 4th. Once they're pulled over, they're asked to do a standardized field sobriety test.
It consists of the horizontal gaze nystagmus, the walk and turn, and the one-leg stand.
But a driver can say no to this test. In fact, they can refuse a sobriety test, breathalyzer, and a blood test. Under state law, if a driver refuses to take the implied consent test, their driving privileges could be revoked or denied. If they consent to a blood test, it is sent to the OSBI.
The results all depend on the OSBI lab and their backlog, or how much evidence has been submitted throughout the state for them to process.
All of this has to be done before charges can be presented to the district attorney, who then decides if they will be filed.
If they have a lot of evidence to test, your wait times are going to be longer.
I reached out to the district attorney's office asking what are some things they look for when filing DUI charges, and they did not want to comment. In Oklahoma City, Angelicia Bruton, Oklahoma Zone, News 9.